Hello Simona, congratulations.
Thank you so much and thank you for having me.
So again, like next year, we open the SloEnduro and you come and win.
Yeah, like I was a little bit struggling because of the injury I had. I had injury for a year, so I have to figure out. This was my first race in a year, so I'm so stoked that I came here again to SloEnduro. And again, I was trying to catch some race pace and stuff. And yeah, I'm so stoked that I took again the win.
So how was your day? Any especially good stages? Any problems?
Like the stages were really physical. They were really long, and I have to figure out that I need to pedal on almost every stage, so much. And yeah, I was trying to find that aggressivity that I have when I'm riding, and I found it, but on the last stage, so maybe I have to wake up a little bit earlier.
So good training race to start the season, huh?
Yeah. This really, SloEnduro is really cool it's really good race opener, so yeah.
Thank you, and maybe we'll see you again in SloEnduro this year.
Yeah, maybe in 3 weeks in both team, we'll see. So yeah, thank you again.
Thank you, cheers.